So you're a blogger, or maybe you're thinking about becoming one. The question is, how do you turn your words into wealth? Let's get into it. First up, content quality. Whether you're into travel, tech, or tater tots, your blog needs to offer something unique to your audience. Pro tip: use SEO tools to find out what your audience is searching for. Create content around those keywords. Burning question: what's your blog niche? Let us know in the comments. Now, affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a tried and true method for monetization. But remember, it has to make sense for your audience. Promote products you genuinely use and recommend. Pro tip: always disclose affiliate relationships to maintain trust with your audience. Burning question: what's the most useful product you've ever promoted? Share in the comments. Next up, sponsored posts. Brands are willing to pay for exposure to your audience, but make sure the partnership aligns with your blog's theme. Pro tip: set clear boundaries. Make sure sponsored content doesn't compromise your voice or authenticity. Now, digital products, ebooks, courses, or printables. Digital products are a great way to monetize your expertise. Pro tip: start with a small, low-cost product to test the waters. Use the feedback to create more comprehensive offerings. Finally, let's talk about community. Your readers are your biggest asset. Engage with them through newsletters, social media, and comments. The stronger the community, the higher the monetization potential. To sum it up, monetizing a blog is more than just slapping ads on a web page. It's about building a brand and offering value. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more monetization tips. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep blogging. Thanks for watching.